What's happening, y'all? Hey, man. Finna pull up to this, pull up to the transmission shop real quick. Check out my baby, you feel me? Check out my baby real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? This my baby. See how far he done got along. I think he was telling me last night that he took the transmission out, but I don't know. Cause he kinda, you know, it's my Migo, so he don't text right. He don't text right. He work good, but he don't text right. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man. So, look at that over there. Drop up. Okay. Got the top off today. Okay. I see you, brother. Man, this side, man. Hey, shall we? We get bad, baby. We get bad, man. Dang, man. I need my car. Hello, man. Look at my boy, man. Quick player, man. Yes, sir. Chevy gang. Yeah, man. We in the East, man. Got them avalanches out here heavy, dog. Better quit playing, man. Yeah. I see you, Beezy. Beezy. It's my dog right there, man. Chevy gang. Really just trying to let time pass by till we go up there, back up there to the shop. Crazy, man. I appreciate it, bro.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
You been helped already?
Yeah.
You good? Yeah, you have been helped, right?
Yeah.
A few months ago.
Yeah, ready on the phone. This thing is so sweet, man. This spider type look.
What size wheel? What size wheel was it?
I got that chopping something too. Chop up the block. You know what I'm saying? Blue and black and something. Some chrome bars like my homeboy. Oh, no, that's the same ones he got. Y'all check my boy, Praise World 903. Got the Hellcat D rims on that, man. See the nice, man. Yeah, we have to put my discount on. We haven't put my discount. Hit me like so I get 20% off my come shop. Yes. Hey, ma'am, do you know Hemi Life?
California time, so that's 3 o'clock here. Because they're 2 hours behind us. So 1 o'clock here is 11 o'clock over there.
Yeah.
But I got you, man. To that, you can't punch it right when you get all that stuff.
Yeah.
You gotta work your motor into it.
So I'm getting it, but I should have it back tomorrow though. So
Yeah.
I was trying to check and see. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, I appreciate you, man.
All right. Yeah, I heard it yourself, man. Yeah, I heard it yourself, man. Do me a favor. Please take up the time to hit that like, subscribe button. If you've never been on my channel, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. And after you do that, push all so you can see all my videos that come out. You know what I'm saying? And don't forget to hit the like button. We're back up here at the shop, man. I just woke up out my sleep. My wheel lock or something. See what they talking about. Where Bay at, man? Oh, there she go. There goes Bay. Chevy gang. I go back with that transmission, man. I'm going back very heavy duty though. I ain't gonna lie. Because it's about that time. I didn't know what that tune was gonna do to him, but it's there, baby.
like it or no?
Huh?
You like it?
Yeah, the lot? Yeah. They also professional, man.
Oh, it's professional.
Yeah.
Very professional.
That's why I asked. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. El sábado va a
They only
estar
have like 78,000 miles on it.
78.
Yep. Yes, sir. They get into the business, man. You can't be mad at that. Look at that dope. I stand hard at it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe for me. Should be gang. I want y'all to break caliber spray. Hit me up, man. I got you, brother. I got you. Gotta take the whole rear end out. Then get to the transmission. Wasn't gonna wait on that, man. Baby feels quick, man. Get to that work. Let's get to that work. Hey man, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, man. Let y'all know what's going on, man. It's supposed to be ready by tomorrow, man. Went to the rim shop, man. Hopefully my rims will be here by Saturday. Dang. These brim people really just pissing me all the way off, man. But hey, part of the game, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, click all, man, so y'all can see all these videos, man. Appreciate the support, man. It's DZ Chevy Gang.